In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email automation rule in Jira. Whether you're managing a project with your team or just trying to streamline your workflow, this guide will take you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Jira. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to your Jira homepage. Once you're there and logged in, the next thing you need to do is locate the specific project where you plan to set up the automation rule. This is an important step as the automation rule will be tied to this particular project. With your project in sight, move your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 dots appearing, typically referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Project Settings. This is where you can manage a variety of settings and tools to help you run your project more smoothly. In the Project Settings menu, look for the option labeled Automation. Click on it. Here, you'll find existing automation rules if there are any, and you'll have the option to create a new one. To begin creating your automation rule, you'll click on Create Rule. At this point, you have a choice. You can either start from scratch and build a custom rule tailored to your needs, or you can utilize one of the available templates that Jira offers. Templates can be a great time saver if you're new to automations or looking for a quick setup. After you've decided between a template or starting fresh, the next step is to choose your trigger. Triggers are events that start your automation. They could be things like issue creation, a status change, or any specific project event that should initiate your rule. Once you select your trigger, click on the Next button to proceed. This will bring you to a screen where you can add actions. Click on Then Add an Action, which is the part of the rule that executes once the trigger event occurs. From the list of actions, select Send Email. You'll now need to fill in the remaining information for this action, such as the email addresses of the recipients, the subject line, and the body content of the email. Make sure all details are filled out accurately to prevent any issues down the line. Once you've completed setting up your action, the final step is to click Turn on Rule. This activates your automation, meaning from this moment on, whenever your specified trigger event happens within the project, your email action will execute automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created an email automation rule in Jira. This will help you stay on top of project updates and facilitate smoother communication among team members. Remember, you can always revisit and edit your rule as your project evolves, or if you find a different action fits better. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.